So last week when she was out and he was at work, he gave me the keys, the alarm code, and the list of albums he couldn't live without. Michael's known about records since high school. He has the White Album, autographed